Identify and fix a blown head gasket. The head gasket is a ringed panel between the cylinder head and the engine block to prevent engine fluids from leaking. Over time, or after many rapid changes in temperature, leaks can develop and the gasket can even blow. This can cause serious damage to your car's engine. Common symptoms of a blown head gasket include coolant leaks, depleted coolant levels, overheated engine, white smoke from the exhaust, bubbles in the radiator, lowered compression, and milky-colored oil. A surefire way to spot a blown head gasket is by looking for an overabundance of steam from the exhaust pipe or bubble formations in the coolant reservoir. Driving too long with a blown head gasket can damage your vehicle. If your engine rapidly overheats or if it is very warm outside, fix your blown head gasket right away. Your car could be unsafe to drive. Replacing a blown head gasket is expensive, but there are reliable, low-cost alternatives. Rislone's head gasket formulas provide chemical repair that will seal the leaks. These products cost a tiny fraction of what you would pay a mechanic to replace the part altogether. Our products require no expertise to use. You can be back on the road in just minutes. If your vehicle has an issue with the head gasket or cooling system, don't blow a fortune on a new engine. Rislone's formulas can solve your problem.